small face. You did. You were in your bedroom, chilling. Yeah. Watching the world go by. Yeah, how's your day been? Yeah, you said it sounded quite boring.
Hello.
Fine, you allowed to go. So why didn't you come here? And then you could have just like chilled out here, gone into the city or something, and then your mum could have picked you up. Huh? She could pick you up after work.
I think it's just a lot of hassle for a mum to do it in the mornings.